Hey guys, it's Vaughn, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing how I achieve these soft bouncy curls and how I style them. I'm sure many of you have heard by now, but if you have not, let me tell you, Creme of Nature has released a brand new hair care line infused with a blend of, yes you guessed it, pure honey, also certified natural coconut oil and shea butter. You guys, I was so excited when I found out about this. This line comes with an edge control hair gel, a leave-in conditioner, a detangler, a setting lotion, a shampoo, a conditioner, a twisting cream, and a hair mask. What's most exciting about the pure honey infusion is that honey is a natural humectant, so these products already have the basics for retaining moisture. So today we're just going to dig in and I'm going to show you guys how these work. My hair was previously in a wash and go state, so the first thing I'm going to do is cleanse it using the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo. This stuff pours like pure honey. It is super soft and luscious, and it lathers up really nicely and helps to detangle my hair. My hair was super dirty. I had a lot of buildup on my scalp, and I must say I spent a lot of time massaging this product in and it got really clean. Even rinsing this product out, it kept my hair feeling very soft, so it kind of reminds me of the Creme of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco line, and you guys know that's my favorite shampoo, so this one is very similar to that in terms of performance. So that's a plus for me. Now my hair feels super soft and nice and ready for my conditioner. I'm just going to condition with the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner. This conditioner is super creamy and smells amazing. It's really thick, and so it coats the hair really nicely and makes for a really easy detangling process. You guys, I love washing and conditioning my hair. I just feel like that's my favorite part of my hair care process. Just makes me feel clean. It makes my hair feel soft. I love it. Next, I'm going to put my hair through a little bit of a deep conditioning. I'm going to use the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. This stuff smells so good, and the reason I want to use this, and I know I already used the other conditioner, but I want to take my hair through a little bit of a deeper condition. I was actually really impressed by the way my hair responded to the Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner, so I want to try the hair mask just to see. Now this hair mask looks a little looser than what you would probably expect from a hair mask, but it's super smooth and the looseness of it makes it really easy to apply and to work through the hair. Once I get all the product on, I'm going to cover my hair with a shower cap, and then I'm going to cover that with my satin lined cap just to really have something to hold in that heat. You're supposed to leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes, but I probably left it on for 20 just because I feel like I needed a little extra. After rinsing out the hair mask, I'm applying the Breakup Breakage leave-in conditioner. This step is really just to soften the hair and to get it ready for this next step, which involves perm rods. You guys have seen these before. They're just the 3/4 inch jumbo perm rods, and then I'm using a little cocktail here. I'm using a mixture of the setting lotion and the twisting cream to pull these off. It turns out these products are formulated to give you ideal results for things like roller sets, flexi rods, and blowouts, so I'm really excited. Now as I'm installing the perm rods in the front, I want to use the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Infusion Edge Control Hair Gel for my edges. Applying this product now helps my edges set along with the curls, and it really helps to make everything look consistent in the end. And I don't think you guys need any help understanding how to install the perm rods, so let's just skip ahead, shall we? Alright, that's more like it. And so now that I have all the rods installed, I think I used 30 of them, I'm just going to sit under the dryer for 2 hours. In the meantime, I did my makeup and polished my nails, and I'm going to put all of those details in the description box. Drying perm rods takes forever, you guys. I would not recommend air drying, but if you absolutely do not want to sit under the dryer, then you can have that option, but those things are gonna take 10 years to dry. As I'm taking these perm rods out, you guys, I am really impressed by the shine and the silky smoothness of my hair. I had heard a lot of good things about the setting lotion and the twisting cream, but I had no idea it would be like this. I am honestly just really happy with the way that my hair looks right now, from the shine to the texture. And I think the reason that I did more of a cocktail with using the texturizing curl setting lotion and the moisture whip twisting cream is because I really want this to last. I want to be able to go right into twisting this up at night as it starts to get old. Now, as I'm separating these curls, I feel like this is a look like you could totally wear the hair like this, but I am going to show you guys 2 ways to style this with 2 2 different accessories. This first one is just a black elastic band that I got from the beauty supply for probably $2. Although I don't really wear puffs anymore these days, if I were going to, it would definitely be with an accessory like this one, because I feel like the wider band makes it more comfortable to wear and it's less tension on the hair. So I'm just holding my bang in place with this butterfly clip while I apply this headband around my head, and I'm just pulling out a little bit of the little baby hairs on the side and then just kind of picking the roots just to make it look more full, and then we're pretty much done here. Once the band is in place and it's comfortable and it's where you want it and your bang is like right in the right spot, I'm just going to shape the hair, and I can do this for hours. I've done it. Okay, I do this all the time, but you just really have to be comfortable with it, right? And I think that's why I spend so much time shaping my hairstyles, because I mean, you've got all of these curls and they're all kind of doing their own thing, and you just really have to take some control of the situation and have the curls fall where you want them to. So I just think this is really pretty and soft, effortless style, and it took 2 seconds. Next, I'm just going to take the band out, fluff the hair a bit, and get ready for this second look. Now, this particular accessory is a hair scarf that I also got from the beauty supply. Now, this one has multiple uses, right? But for this look, I'm going to use it as a headband, and I'm going to have it hold my hair in the back and just kind of send it all the way up to the top like an updo as part of the style. I think the key to making this look good is to have curly ends, right? So even if you do a twist out or braid out, it would be really cute if you would put perm rods on the ends just so you have those curls on the end. And I love to pick it at the root just so it's really full at the top, making sure that my bang is right dead center. I think that's really what's going to make this look really pretty. And I really love this look because it's super casual, but you could also dress it up. And I believe this is the last look. I tried to fit in as many as I could without making this video too long, but this one is really simple. It's just a low side ponytail, which is one of my staple looks. I'm just using an ouchless band to tie this, but I really love this look because not only does it help to stretch the hair, right? So you get that, but also it's a really great way to show off your curls. You can wear this with a hat. You can dress it up, dress it down. You can pull out the little ringlet curls and just have it look really darling. I'm so in love with this ponytail look. I just love having options, you guys, and I just think these are great alternatives for exploiting your curls if you ever do a perm rod set. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and got some ideas for your next perm rod set. And special thank you to Creme of Nature for giving us curly girls so many options. I am so in love with the Pure Honey collection. Let me know what you think.